Welcome back to Sneakerz Creaturez TV. This channel is dedicated to rich visual enjoyment. Live in your shoes like there is no tomorrow.
Okay, so we're at Nike. I'm gonna have my friends say, I'm gonna mess the word up. What's this called? Nike what?
Harajuku.
Right, and this right here, this is what we came to see. This is exclusive right here. We're gonna check it out. Oh, look at that colorway, bro. And the orange ones.
This one right here.
You want the tealies.
The white.
Look at this big old red airbag. Can we buy one of these?